out of school. I remember several years on my birthday. Now they go on up into June, and then they start back first part of August.
Yeah.
We never went back to school till after Labor Day.
Yeah, see you in September.
Yeah.
That's the way it always was.
Piezoform, contact, little bump. Good boy.
Good boy.
Now we're going to adjust the right hip.
Good boy.
This is tuber sacrali here. We're going to drive it forward and down.
Good boy.
The only difference in his sacroiliac joint and ours is ours are at 45 degrees. His are at 65 degrees. That corgi right there, his are at 20 degrees. Right there.
Good job, buddy. Good job, boy.
Good
job,
boy.
Waylon. Good boy.
All right, now we're going to adjust the left hip.
Good job, buddy.
One more.
That's all right, bud. It's all right. Got you right here. It's all right. Got you right here, buddy. It's all right. It's all right.
Good one. Felt that.
Good boy. Hello.
How do? You want to swap cars?
Where are you going, bud?
Well, you look good in the picture.
Yeah, good boy. That's right.
All right, we're going to hit this hip and then we're done.
Let me get you, buddy. Right here. Good boy.
Good deal.
That's a good boy.
I'm going to take him out here.
Feel good?
Grass. Turn him.
Good boy, Waylon.
There he stepped across. There he goes. First two he didn't, and then the last two he did.